Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, search for Flova AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign up button in the top right corner. You can sign up for Flova AI using your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this YouTube video, I'll continue with my Google account. So let's complete the sign up process. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you simply need to enter your prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So s- open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Flava AI. Then finally click on the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up on Flava AI using your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. However, this free tool gives you 100 to 300 free credits as a sign up bonus, and you can use those credits to create approximately 2 to 4 videos depending on the video duration and settings you choose. If you want to create longer video content once your credits run out, simply sign up again with a different Google account or email address to receive more free credits. This way, you can continue generating as many AI videos as you want until the platforms becomes paid or introduces generation limits. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with Flova AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any sign up or subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.